Living harmoniously with others can be challenging, particularly in a world filled with conflict and different opinions. To foster connection, begin by reaching out to family, friends, and neighbors. You can participate in community events, volunteer, and share friendly gestures like baked goods. Try mentoring for an organization like the YMCA, where you can positively impact the lives of youth in your community. Do your best to regularly spend quality time with loved ones, plan family activities, and embrace traditions to strengthen bonds. Communication is key. Be open and vulnerable about your feelings while practicing active listening and compassion when disagreements arise. Approach conflicts calmly, acknowledging different perspectives and seeking compromise for mutual understanding. Ultimately, recognizing that not everyone will agree is essential for maintaining harmony in your relationships.